It's fake news.
Original Batman. Lego.
Woke up, the price of coke up. I just hit them with the low.
Hey guys, it's your girl Genevieve Ezinwa. So today I'll be showing you how I made ponytail with canacolum braiding hair and colored rubber bands in the front. So if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you for joining me today. Okay, so guys, if you want to see how I made ponytail with canacolum braiding hair and the rubber bands in the front, please keep on watching. So here I'm sectioning my hair from ear to ear. All right, I'm done sectioning that out. So I use an elastic band to secure the back so I can work with the front section first. Afterwards, I'll start making my cornrows. Okay, so here I did the cornrow. If you all know me, you should know that I like using this age control. Is a hair wax, it slicks my hair down and I like it. Okay, so I'm going out to apply hair wax onto my hair and then I'll slick it down. Afterwards, I'll grab a little extension, just a little braided hair to attach in it. Okay, and yeah, I'll be doing a fitting method as usual. So I just fitting the hair while I make my cornrow. Okay, so this time around it's not like the normal cornrow that you make from the front going towards the back. So this is from the back, which is the side at the back of the ear, towards the front. Okay, so I'm done doing one. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead to do the other one off camera. Voila, this is how it's looking like. The two sides braid all done. All right, so here I'm sectioning out hair in the front and the center of my hair, where I'll be making a cornrow, a large cornrow. So yeah, I'm showing you the braiding hair that I'll be using. I already went ahead to attach a rubber band on it. Alright, so I'm spraying on olive oil sheen onto it so as to make it shine. Alright, so for me to attach it on my hair, I put it towards the front side and attach the rubber band onto my bun, and afterwards I'll take the braiding hair towards the back, okay, so as to cover the little bun. Okay, then afterwards I'll grab little hair out of the braiding hair, which I'm going to be using to secure the root of the ponytail. So this will make the ponytail to be more secure to my hair. Okay, so after wrapping it around my hair, wrapping it around my bun, I'll grab a bobby pin and secure that and put it in place. Okay, so guys, after securing the ponytail on my hair, I'll grab my diamond brush and brush out the ponytail and smoothing it out. And then after, I'll grab some gold clips and attach onto my hair. You know I love spicing up my hair. Yeah, so guys, this is it for this video. Please hit on the subscribe button to subscribe. FYI, subscription is free. Okay, also turn on the notification bell, like and share this video to your friends and family. Alright, comment down below on what you think about this hairstyle. Alright guys, until the next one, stay safe. Bye.
I be the one job bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I no say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me other than me a what I done.